How can I activate the Capitec app on my mobile device without visiting a branch?
Hello and welcome to this guide. Today, we're going to walk you through how to activate the Capitec app on your mobile device without visiting a branch. This step-by-step guide will help you enjoy seamless banking from the comfort of your home.
What do you need?
To activate the Capitec app, you need the following. 1. Capitec bank account. You need to be a Capitec bank account holder. 2. Mobile device. You need a smartphone or tablet where you can download the app. 3. Internet connection. You'll need an internet connection to download and use the app. 4. Capitec remote banking PIN. During the process, you'll be asked for your Capitec remote banking PIN. This PIN is different from your card PIN.
How to download the app?
1. Go to your device's App Store. For iOS users, this is the App Store. For Android users, it's Google Play Store. 2. Search for the Capitec Bank app. Type Capitec in the search bar and look for the official app, then download it.
How to register and activate the Capitec app?
1. Open the app. Once downloaded, open the app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on Get Started. You'll be taken to the app's main screen where you'll find this option. 3. Enter your Capitec remote banking PIN. This will authenticate your account. 4. Create a sign-in PIN or use biometrics. The app will prompt you to create a 5-digit PIN, or you can use fingerprint or facial recognition if your device supports it. 5. Verify your activation. Capitec will send you an SMS to verify your activation. Please note, in case you don't have a remote banking PIN, you might need to contact the Capitec customer care line or use the bank's internet banking portal to generate one. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to activate the Capitec app on your mobile device without visiting a branch. With this knowledge, you're ready to do your banking at your convenience, anytime, anywhere. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy mobile banking!